Mysticism encompasses a rich tapestry of spiritual practices that often diverge from mainstream religious traditions. At its core, mysticism seeks direct, personal experiences of the divine, transcending ordinary understanding. This pursuit can manifest in various forms, such as meditation, contemplation, and ecstatic rituals. While many view mysticism as the domain of religious specialists like monks or priests, its essence is accessible to anyone willing to explore. Practices such as Sufism in Islam, Kabbalah in Judaism, or the contemplative traditions in Christianity reveal how seekers can engage deeply with their spirituality. These paths often emphasize inner transformation, encouraging practitioners to detach from worldly concerns and cultivate a profound connection with the universe. Whether through silent retreats, chanting, or nature immersion, mysticism invites us to step beyond the mundane and discover the sacred in everyday life. Embracing these practices can lead to profound insights and a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos.